Okay, we've at least seen a pretty good argument that tells us that the velocity as we move around a circle at constant speed is always changing in the direction perpendicular to the direction in which we're moving. Velocity is always changing in the direction of the center of the circle, and since we're moving tangent to the circle, the velocity is perpendicular because the direction toward the center is perpendicular to the direction of the tangent. The direction of the radial line is perpendicular to that of the tangent. It follows then, since the rate of change of velocity with respect to clock time is change in velocity divided by change in clock time, if we take an infinitesimal velocity change and divide it by the infinitesimal, very tiny change in time, we're going to get a rate of change of velocity with respect to time that's also perpendicular to our direction of motion. So the rate of change of velocity with respect to time is always toward the center, and rate of change of velocity with respect to time is what we call acceleration, so our acceleration is always toward the center. We then say that our acceleration is centripetal. So this is the meaning of centripetal acceleration. Now, there are implications of centripetal acceleration for energy changes, and we'll talk about that in a second, but we want to emphasize this definition of centripetal acceleration. It's the rate of change of velocity toward the center of a circle. Centripetal means toward the center.